Hello everybody, welcome to the second part of this video series. In this video, I will be telling you rest of the 5 sectors where you should put your money in to become a billionaire within 2030. So without wasting your time and the time of mine, let's begin. Number 7 is metaverse and virtual reality. The global metaverse and virtual reality market was valued $107.1 billion in 2020 and it is expected to reach at $758.6 billion by the year 2026 with the annual growth rate of 37.1%. With the help of these disruptive technologies like AR and VR and 3D effects, our education system, social interactions, medication, engineering, traveling, fitness, shopping, gaming, corporate cultures, finance, marketing, everything will be reincarnated by the year 2030. I have already made a separate video on metaverse and virtual reality. Kindly see the I button to get the valuable updates about the same. Number 8 is 3D printing. The global 3D market was valued $12.6 billion in 2021 and it is expected to reach at $34.8 billion by the year 2026 with the annual growth rate of 22.5%. Affordable housing with the growing population is going to be the major problem around the world, and especially in third world countries, millions of houses need to be built in a year to provide the proper accommodation to each and every citizen. Or any consumer product, jewelry, automobile, space and aerospace manufacturing industry where production of each specialized item need to be made with ultimate accuracy and perfection, 3D printing will be considered as the best solution for those problems in future. Imagine a world where instead of searching for any organ donor, the same damaged human organ can be 3D printed with the help of a bioprinting machine. No, it is not just a science fiction. The same thing is happening and the human organ is being 3D printed by a bioprinting machine. Some companies behind this auspicious technology are Stratus, 3D System, EOA GmbH, GE Additive, Materialize, Cellink or Bico, etc. Or you can directly buy ARC Fund's 3D printing ETF code PRNT. Number 9 is 5G technology. The 5G internet market was valued $5.13 billion in 2020 and it is expected to reach at $797.80 billion by the year 2030 with the annual growth rate of 65.8%. Though it sounds crazy, but in our world we need high-speed internet facility like food, water, shelter and education. And this for sure that our future is likely to be more technology driven and will be demanding faster resolution in every field of work. By implementing 5G technology, we will be able to achieve it. Through 5G technology, packages can be delivered to customer places with the help of autonomous drones, AI-based autonomous traffic signals can be operated successfully, social interactions, entertainment industry, education, online medication, especially telemedicine and robotic surgery can be more realistic through this metaverse. And robotic surgery can be more realistic through metaverse, AR, VR and 3D modeling system. And many technologies like this will be requiring this high-speed 5G internet technology that we are even unable to imagine in 2022. Some major international players in this field are T-Mobile, Verizon, Samsung, Intel, Nokia, Huawei, Ericsson, AT&T, Cisco, ZTE, Qualcomm, etc. Reliance Jio, Bharti Airtel, MTNL are some of the Indian players in this race of 5G technology implementation. Or else you can directly buy 5G focused ETFs to get the maximum exposure of this field. Some of them are Vanguard Communication Services ETF, code VOX, iShare US Telecommunication ETF, code IYZ, First Trust Index NextG, code NXTG, etc. Number 10 is renewable energy. The next big thing that is going to save our world from climate change is clean energy or renewable energy technology. This renewable energy technology includes hydroelectric power, wind power, bioenergy, solar energy, geothermal energy, ocean wave energy, hydrogen fuel, etc. And this industry is very large. Though some major players in this field are Tesla, Brookfield Renewable, Clearway Energy, Next Era Energy, Solar Edge Technology, etc. And some of the Indian players in this field are Adani Green Energy, Reliance Industries Limited, Borosil Renewable, Websol Energy System Limited, Tata Power, Urja Global, etc. But again, as this industry also is very large, it is better to invest your money through some ETFs that is totally focused on this renewable energy segment, like iShares Global Clean Energy ETF codes ICLN, Invesco Solar ETF code TAN, Invesco Clean Energy ETF code PBW, etc. And the last industry where you should put your money in is smart transportation. The smart transportation market was valued $77.20 billion in 2020 and it is expected to reach at $377.1 billion by the year 2030 with the annual growth rate of 17.2%. And most likely, the fastest growing region in the world will be Asia Pacific region. Autonomous vehicles, flying cars, hyperloop trains, supersonic and hypersonic jets are some classic examples of this technology. Some early players in this field are Tesla, Lilium Jets, Joby, Uplift Aircraft, Vertical Aerospace, Aeromobile, Virgin Hyperloop, Boom Supersonic, Virgin Galactic, Lockheed Martin, Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency, Spike Aerospace, etc. I'll be making a separate and specialized video on this particular segment very soon, so kindly subscribe the channel and do not forget to click the bell icon to get all the necessary updates. So till then, bye bye.